cutest friends. Today we want to make a beautiful drawing of two popular characters. Let's draw them step by step. Draw her eyes, nose and face simply. Now cute ears, body, arms and legs. She's holding a small flower in her hand. My Melody is sweet and kind. Now we will draw Kuromi's face in this very simple way. Her beautiful head and finally her body. Hands and feet and special tape. Do not forget two decorations on the hat. Kuromi is funny and a little naughty. A bright sun and three little hearts make this painting wonderful. It's time to color. Let's make them bright and fun. My Melody loves pink and Kuromi loves black and purple. Wow, your drawing looks amazing! Black for her hat. Decorations with pink. Great job! Keep practicing and have fun. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. What a beautiful drawing! See you soon!